In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Monday.com. If you're managing multiple projects and want a more efficient way to replicate your board setups, this process is exactly what you need. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to Monday.com, creating a template is straightforward and immensely helpful for maximizing productivity. First, we'll start by heading over to the Monday.com website. Once there, you'll want to locate the Login button, which you'll find in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it and this will take you to the login screen. Now you have two options. You can either choose to sign in with Google, or you can manually enter the email address associated with your account. For those who prefer the convenience of a Google sign-in, go ahead and select it. Simply find and click on the email address you plan to use. After logging in, you'll need to decide which board you'll use as the basis for your new template. This step is important because the board you choose will serve as your template framework moving forward. Once you've identified the right board, you'll see a three-dot menu in the top right corner. This is typically labeled as More Actions. Clicking on this menu will present you with a variety of options. In the drop-down list under More Actions, you will find an option that says Save as Template. Select this option and a confirmation pop-up will appear. This pop-up is just a safeguard to ensure that you indeed want to proceed in saving this board as a template. If you're ready to move forward, click Save as Template on this pop-up. This action finalizes the process, securing your board as a template. With these steps completed, your board is now successfully saved as a template and can be easily accessed in the Template Center. This feature is a powerful way to streamline your workflow by eliminating repetitive setup tasks for future projects. You can now create new boards using this template, ensuring consistency and saving yourself valuable setup time. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage multiple projects with ease. Whether you're running a small business or managing a large team, templates can be a game changer by enhancing your organizational strategy. Thanks to Monday.com, you can enjoy a seamless and customizable project management experience. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Be sure to try creating a template to simplify your workflows and elevate your project management skills.